Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Kakatrisma, NIM 1925110. In this video, I will present about two topics. One is inside of the computer and two topics of hardware. Inside the computer. Inside a computer, a general purpose computer has four main components: the arithmetic logic unit, ALU, the control unit, the memory, and the input on and output device, collectively termed EO. These parts are interconnected by buses, often made of group of wires. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. The ALU is capable of performing two classes of operation, arithmetic and logic. Control unit. The control unit, often called a control system or central controller, manages the computer's various components. It reads and interprets, decodes the program instruction, transforming them into a series of control signals which activate other parts of the computer. Memory. A computer's memory can be viewed as a list of cells into which number can be placed or read. Computer main memory comes into principal variants: random access memory or RAM and read-only memory or ROM. RAM can be read and written to any time the CPU commands it, but ROM is preloaded with data and software that never change. Therefore, the CPU can only read from it. Input-output. Input-output is the means by which a computer exchanges information with the outside world. Devices that provide input or output to the computer are called peripherals. On a typical personal computer, peripherals include input devices like the keyboard and mouse, and output devices such as the display and printer, hard disk drives, floppy disk driver, and optical disk driver serve as both input and output device. Hardware computer. Input device. Input device is any peripheral piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signal to an information processing system such as a computer or other information appliance. Example of input device include keyboards, mice, scanners, digital camera, and joystick. Output device. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment used to communicate the result of data processing carried out by an information processing system, such as a computer, which converts the electronically generated information into human readable form. Main parts of computer. Memory. How the processor store and use immediate data. RAM. Random access memory. The main working memory used by the computer. When the operating system loads from disk, when you first switch on the computer, it is copied into RAM. As a rough rule, a Microsoft Windows-based computer will operate faster. If you install more RAM, data and programs stored in RAM are volatile. EA. The information is lost when you switch off the computer. Thank you everyone. Hardware. Computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to all the physical components of the computer that can be seen and touched. Hardware works together with software to perform tasks such as processing data, storing information, and displaying results. Hardware is very important because without it, a computer system cannot operate. Main categories of hardware. Input device. Input device are used to enter data and instruction into a computer. Example of input device. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to type text, number, and commands into a computer. Mouse. A mouse is used to move the cursor, click icons, open files, and interact with programs. Scanner. A scanner converts physical documents or pictures into digital form. Microphone. A microphone records sound or voice into the computer. Webcam. Webcam captures image and videos for communication and recording. Output device. Output device produce information from the computer after processing. Example of output device. Monitor. A monitor display text, image, videos, and programs. Printer. A printer produce physical copies of documents and image. Speakers. Speaker produce sound such as music, videos, and notification. Projector. A projector display computer output into a longer screen or wall. Processing device. Processing device and are responsible for processing data and controlling computer operation. Central Processing Unit (CPU). The CPU is called the brain of the computer. It processes instructions, perform calculation, and control all system activities. Main parts of the CPU. LU Arithmetic Logic Unit perform mathematical and logical operation. Control unit CU control the flow of data and instruction. Register store temporary data for quick access. Graphics Processing Unit GPU. The GPU processes graphic, videos, and image. It is important for gaming, video editing, and graphic design. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all hardware components together. Storage device. Storage device is hardware used to record, store, and retrieve digital data, file, document, software in computer, smartphone, and server. They are essential for saving data permanently even when the power is off. Key types include HDD, SSD, USB, flash drive, and memory cards. Type of storage device as device for storing and loading data. Storage devices are generally divided into two types, primary storage device and secondary storage device. Communication device. Communication device help computer connect and exchange data with other devices or networks. Example, modern. Connect a computer to the internet, network interface card, NIC. Allows communication between computers is in a network. Router distribute internet connection to multiple devices. Characteristic of hardware: physical and tangible, requires electricity to operate, can wear out over time, works together with software. Thank you.